All right. Just to put a disclaimer out before I proceed with this video, um, the Memepad on Bloom launched a few days back, and as we know, a lot of meme coins have been created and is already trading. You can see a lot of them. The interface, the UI is very nice. I love it. I myself have used it, and the ease of navigation is very smooth. And I implore you, if you have done your own research, to also try this out. And I believe that this particular meme pad will be tied to the Bloom airdrop, so you need to kind of interact with it once. If you are not a degen, but try as much as possible to carry out a transaction on this platform, because I strongly believe that it will be tied to your airdrop as either as a multiplier, or maybe as it will be recorded as an achievement, which will either boost or reduce or make you eligible or not to the Bloom airdrop. Although there is no official announcement of that, but I implore you to do your own due diligence to try it, right? And trading of meme coin is highly risky and highly profiting as well. Over the years, we have seen that a lot of people have made their own first million by trading meme coin and other crypto assets, but meme coin have shown to be one of the assets class that people trade the most, and people make a lot of gain from it, and also people lost a lot of money. So you have to trade with caution. Do your own diligent research before you even open into any meme coin. Find a strong community, find a good team, a good ticker, and with other research you have maybe carried out, you can choose a very good sticker to ape in, and ape in whatsoever you are able to a kind of lose without pain, right? So this is not a financial advice. I'm just doing this video to educate you guys out there. So I'll guide us through the Memepad buttons here. Here are the fresh here. These are just new token being launched. They are launched by individuals, they are launched by teams, they are launched by super dev, they are launched by project heads and all the rest. So find a good one. You can also launch your own meme coin. Bloom has made it very easy and very cheap for you to launch your own project on this platform. Then you come to the HUD. This is the, I think, trading by volume, right? Maybe market cap now. They put this in an, I think the most that have the highest market cap comes first, then the chart goes like that. Okay, maybe they consider other things before they even put it first. The number of holders, then the I think other things that they put here also. And you can see this is the market capitalization of DAC. DAC is at $770,000 market cap now, and I believe it's a good meme coin as well, but still do your own research. So I will be showing us how to trade on this platform. I found a good ticker, but don't take my word for it, do your own research as well. Drago, right? I believe it's is a good ticker that with time the asset class will do very well. So as you can see here, it hit an all-time high of 200, I think close to $300,000, right? So you can still check them out and do your own research if you want to ape in as well. And there are various buttons here, right? You can see the, if you hear about it and you want to verify whether it is the actual token you are buying, this button here will show you the ticker, the CA. I think this is the contract address of the token here. If you click on this button, button here. Then it will bring out detail about the project for you. I think recently they have added the Telegram group of the token, and a little write-up about the token and the contract address is here. And also you can copy the link that you can send to a friend that wants to in to just click on the link directly, and he or she will be redirected to this interface for him to start trading on it as well. So on this interface again, we can still see the number of holders here. Then the number of holders now is 2,774. Then we see the transaction. I think it should be under 24 hours now. We are having okay, this is the total transaction, and 14,218 total transaction. Then we have the trading volume of 1.3 million dollars here now. Then this is the chart. You can see the chart, and you see the UI is looking user's interface is looking very nice here now. Then we have the buy and the sell button. You can also track your own the various transactions, that is the buy orders that are currently going on, and also the the sell order as well. So here you will see everything. I think this color now shows those selling. I think this guy now sold about 100,000 worth of Drago. It's about 3.77 ton. Then someone is buying more, 13 ton. Someone just bought 13 ton, and it shoot the price up as well. So you take a look at all these things. Let me take us to the trade again. I actually want to demonstrate in this video how to buy. I just want to buy. It's the same process if you want to sell as well. So let me see. I have a little ton here. I've sent a little ton to my wallet already. Then if I click on the buy order here, I will have to just set my the amount of Drago I want to, the amount of ton I want to invest in the Drago coin. I think I will just use 1 ton for the sake of this video to buy. Let me see, the button is now coming up. So immediately you set the amount of the token you want to buy. I think I'm having a little issue with the button here, but let me still try again. So the delay you are seeing is from my device I using shooting this video. It's not from the site interface. The site is um, it's very easy to navigate through all the buttons, and the Bloom team did a very nice job, and they are still improving on the product as well. So once you you have your funds on your wallet, your funds must be on your wallet, either the wallet tied to anyone's connect. Is everything happen on the Bloom platform, right? Where you were a kind of claiming those Bloom symbol that are coming down, right? Where you play those games now. So everything happened on that platform. So the trade button, everything is on the Bloom platform, of which I will show us. Let me just finish the buy order here now. Then you click on the buy order, you set the amount of token you want to buy. I just want to do for 1 ton for the sake of this video now. once you set it, it will show you the amount of Drago you want to buy. This is about 25,000 plus. Then I think there's always fluctuation. Now there's something you need to take note of: the slippage tolerance. You can adjust it as well. So if it is your first time of doing a trade here now, the slippage tolerance will be very high. You may be seeing a slippage tolerance of about 20%. So you need to adjust it. The higher the slippage tolerance, the higher the charge. They'll charge you higher fees when you want to do the trade, right? So you need to adjust it. 1 2 is also doable, but it will just delay your transaction for some few seconds, right, before it goes through. So I set my at 2, but for a faster transaction, higher slippage tolerance will be advisable for you to set, especially if you want to catch up with a trade, right? So you have to set a higher slippage tolerance of, let's say, 5, 10, 15, 20, or what have you. Because if you don't and you want to catch up with a trade, right, a lot of snipers will get there before you, and once they get there before you, they'll pump the price up and you'll be buying at a very high rate. So after setting everything, I'll just click on the buy Draco. Um, so there will be a prompt message sent to my the wallet I use is connected to my TONKeeper, but you can use the inbuilt Telegram wallet, right? All is still okay, right? So, but I felt that the connecting it to TONKeeper would make the transaction go faster and also smoothly. So let's have it once the transaction is here for me to approve and get done with this transaction now. And okay, it's here now. um, let's wait for it to load. Once it's completely okay, so this is the fees display for you, the amount of Drago I'm buying, and I'll just approve this transaction. Now, one important thing you need to take note of is that once the approval is done, you can just go to your Telegram. Once the approval is done, you have to stay on that page for the transaction to be successful. So at times, if you have very poor network connection, you have to do it over and over again, right? But you just have to stay on that page after you have approved it on your wallet. And this is where the inbuilt wallets play a role now, right? Because the transaction, once you approve it, is not taking you out. Once the transaction prompt message is sent, it's not taking you outside of your Telegram. You will do everything inside of the Telegram app there. So this is the only important role in trading now, that the Telegram, having your wallet on the Telegram app plays, right? So if you want to do a faster transaction where you don't repeat the transaction again, maybe you consider using the that is the inbuilt wallet now, right? So luckily for me, the transaction went through and I've been able to do the purchase. Okay, so this is my these are all the meme coins I'm holding. I'm just investing little by little. The platform is still new, so you take caution. Just invest what you can lose, and if you want to go in deeper, you have to do a very diligent research on all those projects. So you can just on this interface now, the Memepad is the buttons are very easy to locate. You can just scroll here where you will see other interface. This is my token, where all my token that I've bought, or the Memepad, or all my holdings here now will be displayed: Rango, Balloon, TVN, DGen, DK, then the KG, then DK. These are all the meme coins I'm holding currently in this particular wallet. Then you have the Bloom, right? Okay, some of those other meme coins are here. I think you also have other options: hot, where you can find trending, and very um, coins by their market cap and all the rest. So one important um,
One important option, or maybe button they added of recent, is how to track whether you're profiting, your loss and gains, right? So they just added it of recent. You can see it here now. Here you're seeing minus 6.5% since I bought. Then you have home, then you have in. So I think the in, okay, this is outside of the main pad now. So these are your Bloom interface here now. So tell me what you feel about this main pad that is just launched on the Bloom mini Telegram app. Are you finding it difficult to carry out your trade on this particular Telegram meme pad now? If there's any difficulty, you just chat me up. I'll be here to answer all questions, and happy trading, my friends. Bye for now.